Looks like I'm doing them, so whatevs. 1/2 minus x over 6 equals 18 divided by x. So what are we going to do? Let's get a common denominator. If I want these fractions to have a common denominator, I need to multiply the 1/2. Just write that 1/2 as 3/6. So nothing crazy there. We're going to write that as 3/6. That looks terrible, so I'm just going to erase it and write 3/6 like a normal person. Because 3/6 is the same as 1/2, so I'm good. But now I would also like a denominator. I need an x in my denominators. Or let's just do this. Let's rewrite this as 3 minus x over 6 equals 18 over x. That's legit. I just combined them. Because now what I can do is I can cross multiply. So I can say x times 3 minus x equals 6 times 18. And so I get 3x minus x squared equals 6 times 18, which is a number that I, once again, don't know. 6 times 8 is 48, and 6 times 1 is 6, plus 4 is 10, so we get 108 there. So I get this mess. So I get negative x squared plus 3x minus 108 equals 0. And you could solve that with the quadratic formula. So maybe we'll just go ahead and do that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this as x squared minus 3x plus 108 equals 0, because that's totally equivalent. I multiplied everything by -1. 0 times -1 is still 0. So quadratic formula will give me x equals negative b gives me a positive 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared gives me 9 minus 4 times a is 1, so I really just need 4 times c, which is 108. So already looking at this, I can tell you that since I have 9 minus 4 times 108, the inside of that square root is clearly going to be negative. So we're going to get imaginary solutions, and they are not going to be nice imaginary solutions, so I'm not going to finish this problem. The answer key is incorrect. It mistakenly thought that that 108 right here was negative, which then would have made it factorable. But it's not, so this thing, let's just say, it has no real solutions, and I'm not going to find the imaginary ones.